one just in case. Alright, definitely these trays, I love these trays. If you don't have any, then don't worry about it, but I love them. And of course, we're gonna need more than these, but this is the one we're gonna be using. Salt, pepper. Welcome to Chef in Los Angeles. We're gonna be making Thanksgiving dinner under 200 bucks. Yes, you heard that correct. 200 bucks. You're not gonna be spending more than that. If you want to, you can, but our purpose is to have a nice meal, a good time with your family, where you just gonna enjoy everything. And the most important thing here, you will enjoy the time with your loved ones. Menu planning, grocery shopping, cooking time, prepping time, what it takes longer, how to set it up your table, how to play your meals that is gonna look insanely beautiful. And again, under 200 bucks, you will make that happen. Thanks to who? Chef in Los Angeles. Let's go. Let's do it. First thing we're gonna do, the menu. Why we need to create a menu? So every time when we do something, we need to break down what it takes longer, what is the fastest to cook, and the menu is gonna help us not just saving time, but as well preparing in our heads and not running like a chicken everywhere. So let's get started.